Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stephanie, or just welcome if it's your first time watching one of my videos. We are in Koh Lanta and we are about to go to a Thai cooking school. This cooking school is really highly rated on Google. Gary absolutely loves cooking, so this is a surprise for him. It's 9:20 now in the morning. We're going to be getting picked up at about 9:30 and we are doing a lunchtime cookery course. Apparently you choose 4 dishes as a group. So we're going to be like fighting people to make khao probably. I am absolutely buzzing. So let's go. Okay, they're actually here early, which never ever happens. So we are running down. They're picking us up here. We don't know where we're going yet. But yeah, they're here ready to come pick us up. You go on ahead. What is your hand? We're ready to go. What do you hope we're cooking today?
Just curry, any type of curry.
Yeah, maybe. Surely.
What have we not cooked before? We didn't cook the last time.
We didn't cook khao soi before.
Khao soi.
We didn't cook a fried rice, but is that kind of basic?
It's kind of alright, yeah.
We didn't.
Like fried noodles would be nice.
Fried noodles we haven't cooked. We haven't cooked any kind of fish.
No, we haven't cooked fish. That'd also be good.
I hope we're doing what's it called? Mango sticky rice.
Say cooking.
Spicy. And don't forget when you touch or cut chili, don't forget to cut your face and your eye.
So here San, our teacher, cooked up the beef for everybody to use for the spicy beef salad. These are all of the vegetables that we chopped up. It was just a few things like shallots, lemongrass, coriander, chili and cucumber. And then we each got a little bit of beef to mix together with some sauce, like some chili, fish sauce, some sugar of course. And we mixed all that up together and then put the veg in with it. And oh my God, this was the first time I ever had a spicy beef salad and it was unreal. So here's the basket for the tom yum soup. So we've got some mushrooms, tomato, coriander, a little bit of chili of course, some lime leaf I think it is. So then we cooked up whatever your chosen meat was. So some people didn't have meat. I took chicken for this one. We put in some soy sauce and some fish sauce and some sugar again, and we cooked it up ourselves. Then we dished it out. There's some things in it that you don't eat, like the lime leaf and maybe the lemongrass. This was actually my least favorite of the day. I'm not really a soup kind of girl. Like, it was tasty of course, but not too tasty. Some people put too much spice in theirs, some people being Gary. Next up was the pad thai, and oh my god, San put together this unbelievably delicious sauce. I've never seen pad thai made like this before, but this sauce kind of looked like a tomato, like bolognese sauce, but there was no tomatoes in it. We of course prepped some veg, like literally just some carrots and spring onion and tofu and bean sprouts, I think it was. Not too much prep involved. We cooked up the chicken, we put in the special sauce from San. This was the best pad thai I have ever had. And last but not least, this was the one that we really wanted to make from the beginning of the class, but it was the last thing, so we were kind of full. But it's khao soy, which is a northern Thailand dish that we had lots of in Chiang Mai. So we started off by using all the ingredients for the sauce and putting them into a pestle and mortar and kind of like just smushing them up together. I don't know what you would say it. Next, we deep fried the noodles for like the bird's nest crunchy noodles on top of the khao soy. So we all got like a quick turn to do that, and then we prepared the soft egg noodles for the base. We then cooked up the curry sauce from all the ingredients that were in the pestle and mortar, cooked our chicken and poured it over the soft noodles with the crunchy noodles on top. Then you could just add some extras in yourself, like the pickles, the shallots, lime, chili, oil, whatever you want. We were just so full. We had one little taste of the teacher's one and it was amazing. So we made our own, but then she said, let's just wrap it up in a little like doggy bag free, which we did, and we brought it home and we ate it like literally about half an hour later. We were still full, but we managed to power through, and that was the best meal of the day.
People stay here.
Yes, we have room for them also.
Ah, there they put the funky flowers. That's where they drink.
Yes. Butterfly tea. You can try to do at your home. Oh, super.
Right, we're just back from the cooking school. The last dish, which was khao soy, we had to get to take away because we just had so much food all day. We got to taste the teacher's khao soy, so she made it. San was her name. And then we made our own and brought it home in like a little doggy bag. But that was really, really good. I would highly, highly recommend that cooking school. It was lovely. It wasn't that expensive. The food was so tasty. And there was a good mix of like things kind of being like ready to go, like prepared, and cooking. So like you didn't have to do absolutely everything from scratch. Like some things were already portioned out and kind of handed to you, so it meant you could just kind of focus on the cooking and the eating, which was lovely. But the setting of the place is so good. You're in off the main road and you're just surrounded by green, and yeah, it was lovely. It was a really, really nice way to spend a morning. We did the lunchtime cooking class. They were setting up there now for the dinner time one, and I think they had a full class. It was just 5 of us there, which was really nice. But yeah, that's it. I would highly recommend. I'll leave a link to book or a link to their website or something below. But thank you so much for watching. This was the first surprise of the weekend in a belated birthday celebration for Gary. So we are about to go do the next thing, which will be another YouTube video. But thank you for watching. Bye.